Hi, my name is Kaylee Palacios, and over the last few months, our nation has been facing a life-threatening crisis known as the coronavirus. I have been doing research for the CDC, which is a public health institution where I work as a medical virologist and also a spokesperson for the company. My job includes studying viruses, and on behalf of the people of the CDC, I'm going to be supplying you with information on how to keep yourself and the people around you safe during this time. Over 1 million people have been confirmed to have the coronavirus in the US alone, and over 56,000 of the cases ended in a casualty. Problems that we are currently facing are lack of supplies to treat the infected people, but if we were all doing our best to prevent the spread, would the supplies even be needed? Dr. Colleen Smith posted a video to YouTube and gave us an inside report on the amount of people infected with the coronavirus in the hospital that she works at. She also talked about the lack of supplies that they had to treat the people who had the coronavirus and the lack of supplies they had to keep the workers of the hospital safe. The coronavirus is an infection that affects the respiratory system and is spread from person to person by coughing or even exhaling. The symptoms are not very noticeable, so someone could be exposed to the coronavirus and spread it without even knowing. According to the CDC.gov, the easiest and most obvious way to prevent the spread is to stay home and avoid contact with people outside of your family. By not being around anyone, you are almost 0% at risk. Since people have started self-quarantining, the number of cases of people infected have gone down. Say a person who doesn't know they have the coronavirus went to the store and ended up coughing. They could infect people, which could end in casualties amongst some of them, when it could have all been avoided if they would have just stayed home. The best thing to do if you need to go somewhere such as the store is to wear a mask and stay at least 6 feet away from all people at all times. Another way to prevent the spread is to wash your hands frequently. The WebMD and CDC.com stated that if you wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds and or sanitize them with hand sanitizer, it will help slow the spread. You could also wipe down your countertops and doorknobs with disinfectants to help with the disease. In our world's history, we have gone through similar epidemics such as the influenza, which has killed millions of people since the original outbreak in 1918, according to the CDC.gov, which is exactly what we are trying to avoid. I hope you've listened to the things I've said and stay safe during this horrible time. Do the inconveniences of staying home outweigh possibly saving a life?